Hi besties! Today I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about dip powder. If you don't know what dip powder is, are brand new to it, or just want to learn more, then you've come to the right place. Also, subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and let us know what videos you'd like to see next. Dip powder is kind of like a hybrid between gel and acrylic. Dip powder is a system of powder and glazes that are used for a nail enhancement. It can be used on your natural nail or an artificial tip. Dip powder is a finely milled powder which is perfect for achieving a smooth, even application. And it comes in so many highly pigmented colors, so the design possibilities are endless. Dip powder is formulated without harsh chemicals and has added vitamins and calcium to strengthen the nails, but won't damage the nail bed. Dip powder is applied through a set of glazes that help the powder adhere to the nail. The great thing about dip is that it's cured with an activator, Seal Protect, so no monomer or UV LED curing is needed. While they have similar polymers, acrylic and dip powder are not the same thing. We all know that with acrylic comes monomer. Some people can become sensitive to the smell of monomer or could even become allergic to it. Dip powder, on the other hand, is odorless. There is no need for monomer, making it the perfect choice for those who want a more natural alternative. Another thing you might notice with a dip powder application is that it's much thinner than an acrylic application. Although it is thinner, it still has the same structure and strength of acrylic. Plus, the application is faster than traditional acrylic. The thin structure of dip powder makes it feel like natural nails, just stronger. As with everything, the more you do it, the quicker and easier it becomes. Dip powder is no exception. In the beginning, dip powder can typically take about 30 to 40 minutes for a full application. However, with practice, most nail techs I know only take 15 to 20 minutes for a full set. By now you're probably wondering how long a dip application will last. Dip powder's complex bonds keep nails from chipping, discoloring, and lifting. If applied correctly, a dip powder set can last anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks without chipping. Yes, dip powder is extremely easy to remove. All you have to do is file away the shine, soak in acetone for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will come right off. If you don't want to remove the dip powder completely, it is very easy to do a fill. If you'd like to see a video on how to do a fill using dip powder, click the link above. I hope I answered your questions about dip powder. If there's anything else you'd like to learn, leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified when we have a new video. See you next time, besties. Bye!